Looking for the best welding helmet that offers top-notch safety, comfort, and performance? Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, the right gear makes all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best welding helmets available right now. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Hitbox LY800F welding helmet. The Hitbox LY800F welding helmet is designed for professionals who demand safety, comfort, and high performance. Constructed with durable, fire-retardant materials, it provides resistance to aging, ensuring longevity and reliability in tough work environments. The helmet's high-definition protective filter allows welders to see their work clearly, enhancing visibility and precision while welding. The luminosity is soft and comfortable, minimizing eye strain during extended use. A standout feature of the Hitbox LY800F is its advanced circuit design, which responds instantly when welding begins. As soon as the arc is struck, the observing window darkens to provide optimal protection. This quick reaction time is complemented by permanent UV and infrared protection, ensuring the welder's eyes are shielded from harmful radiation throughout the process. The helmet's design prioritizes comfort, with ultra-lightweight materials and a fashionable appearance. Its high-performance solar cells and lithium battery contribute to its reliability, providing long-lasting power while maintaining ultra-low energy consumption. Additionally, the helmet offers adjustable sensitivity and delay time, allowing users to customize the experience according to their specific needs. The Hitbox LY800F features both grinding and welding modes, giving users the flexibility to switch between different tasks. The battery is replaceable, and the helmet's low power consumption ensures efficiency and extended use, making it an ideal choice for both casual and professional welders. Coming in at number 4, the Safeup UN109 welding helmet. The Safeup UN109 welding helmet is designed to provide top-notch protection and visibility for welding professionals. Featuring a large 3.94 x 3.81 viewing screen, this helmet offers an expansive field of view, allowing users to monitor their work more effectively. The helmet incorporates the latest true color technology, ensuring that every detail of the work environment is accurately restored, enhancing the overall clarity and precision of your work. One of the standout features of the Safeup UN109 is its 1/1/1/1 optical clarity rating. This rating significantly improves visibility by reducing the traditional lime green tint often found in many welding helmets, minimizing eye strain and improving color accuracy. This makes it easier for welders to work for longer periods without experiencing fatigue or discomfort. Eye protection is a priority in the Safeup UN109 welding helmet. The auto-darkening function responds rapidly, transitioning from light to dark in just 1/25,000 seconds. This quick response ensures that welders are protected from harmful UV and infrared radiation, as well as glare. The high-quality liquid crystals and optical coatings offer protection in line with DIN 59/913 standards, providing peace of mind during long hours of welding. The helmet also features 4 intelligent arc sensors, which adapt to different environments and welding tasks. Whether you're grinding or performing MIG, MAG, MMA, or arc welding, these sensors adjust to suit the specific requirements of the job, offering reliable and consistent performance. This makes the Safeup UN109 an ideal choice for both professional welders and those new to the craft, ensuring high levels of safety and efficiency. At number 3, we have the Arccaptain welding helmet. The Arccaptain welding helmet is a cutting-edge protective gear designed to enhance the welding experience. Featuring an advanced auto-darkening filter with 4 premium arc sensors, this helmet offers seamless adaptation to various welding processes, including arc, MIG, and TIG. The lens provides a wide range of shade adjustments, from DIN 4 in light state to DIN 59/913 in dark state, ensuring optimal protection in diverse working environments. Eye protection is a top priority with this helmet. Its smart filters automatically adjust to protect against intense welding glare, offering continuous UV/IR protection up to DIN 16. This minimizes exposure to harmful light, allowing welders to focus on their tasks without compromising safety. One of the standout features is the helmet's true color technology. With the top tier 1/1/1/2 optical clarity rating and a large viewing screen measuring 3.93 x 3.66, the Arccaptain helmet greatly improves visibility, helping users to work with greater precision and efficiency. This ensures that welders can clearly see their work, enhancing overall performance. Weighing only 2 pounds, the Arccaptain helmet is significantly lighter than many other welding helmets on the market, reducing strain on the neck and spine during long hours of use. Its dynamically adjustable headgear, paired with breathable padding, ensures a comfortable, custom fit for extended use. Built to last, the helmet is crafted from durable PP material, offering shock resistance and flame resistance. It meets various industry standards, including AN size 87.1, Yen 379C, and CSA's 94.3, guaranteeing its reliability and safety. Powered by a combination of solar cells and a CR2450 lithium battery, the Arccaptain helmet offers long-lasting performance while being eco-friendly. Next up at number 2 is the Hzxvogen HV8 welding helmet. The Hzxvogen HV8 welding helmet is a cutting-edge protective gear designed to enhance safety and comfort for welders across various applications. One of its standout features is its large viewing screen, which measures an impressive 3.94-3.82. This expansive lens, powered by updated true color technology, provides crystal clear visibility of the welding environment, allowing workers to see every detail with remarkable clarity. The helmet's 1/1/1/2 optical clarity rating further reduces eye strain, enhancing the overall welding experience. Equipped with 4 independent smart sensors, the Hzxvogen HV8 helmet features an auto-darkening filter that activates in milliseconds. This intelligent darkening function adapts seamlessly to various welding methods, including SMAW, MIG, TIG, and GTW, offering optimal protection by blocking 99% of harmful light and safeguarding your face from potential injury. The helmet's customizability is another key benefit, allowing users to manually adjust both the sensitivity and dark shade to suit specific needs. In light state, the helmet operates at DIN4, while the dark state offers adjustable shades between DIN5 9/913. Additionally, the inclusion of a rechargeable solar battery ensures continuous operation, automatically charging during welding sessions. Comfort is paramount, and the Hzxvogen HV8 does not disappoint. The adjustable headgear, featuring a knob and gear for tightness customization, guarantees a secure and comfortable fit. The inner surface of the helmet is lined with premium sponge material, and the exterior is covered with a sweat-absorbing, anti-slip surface that enhances breathability. Durability and safety are at the core of the Hzxvogen HV8 design. Made from high-quality PA materials, this welding helmet offers superior protection during cutting, welding, and polishing tasks. With a built-in battery and integrated solar panel, the helmet ensures a consistent and reliable welding experience without power interruptions. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hitbox HB555 welding helmet. The Hitbox HB555 welding helmet is a cutting-edge solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering a range of features designed to enhance both safety and productivity during welding operations. One of the standout features of the HB555 is its super-large auto-darkening lens, which provides a generous 3.9x3.1 inch field of view. This expanded view allows for greater versatility in various applications, helping welders maintain a clear line of sight while working. The helmet also integrates true color technology, significantly improving visibility and reducing eye strain. Traditional welding helmets often feature a lime green tint, but the true color upgrade minimizes this, offering a clearer, more natural view of the work area. Comfort is another key focus of the Hitbox HB555. The helmet's ergonomic design ensures it fits comfortably and securely. The headband features a rotating adjustment knob that allows users to customize the fit, ensuring a strong and reliable hold. Additionally, the thickened sponge on the forehead helps protect the user from injury and perspiration, making the helmet comfortable to wear for extended periods. For welders seeking precision and accuracy, the HB555 offers impressive optical clarity with a rating of 1/1/1/2. This ensures clear and accurate viewing, essential for high-quality work. The helmet's dark shade can be adjusted between DIN5 to DIN9 or DIN9 to DIN13, with the delay time ranging from 0.1 to 0.8 seconds. The highly responsive sensitivity adjustment and fast switching time less than 1/10,000 seconds ensure the helmet adapts quickly to varying ambient conditions. Built with 4 premium redundant arc sensors, the HB555 provides super-fast switching and accurate auto-shading, effectively minimizing harmful radiant bypass and protecting the user's eyes from unnecessary strain. This makes the helmet suitable for various welding processes, including plasma cutting, TIG, MIG, MMA welding, and more. Whether used in industrial settings, schools, or DIY projects, the Hitbox HB555 welding helmet offers exceptional protection and performance, making it a reliable choice for any welder.